solve using logarithms the equations. And the reason we're using logs here is that 7 is not a simple power of 3. So if we'd had 9 here, we could have solved without logarithms quite easily. So the way to do this is just to take logs of both sides. It doesn't matter what base, but generally a scientific calculator just has the log button here, which is a log to the base 10, and the ln, which is a log to the base e. If you've got a more complicated calculator, you might be able to do logs of any base. But anyway, let's just go with log to the base 10. So I've taken log to the base 10 of the left-hand side, and of course in the usual way with equations, I therefore have to do that to the other side. Now I have an index law here that tells me that I can drop that x down in front. So I get x log 3 is log 7. Now one of the things you need to appreciate here is that log 3 and log 7 are just numbers. So I can now solve by just doing log 7 divided by log 3. Now don't get confused, there's no division log law. The log law which involves division is when you subtract logs. So what you need to do here is just simply go to the calculator and calculate log 7 divided by log 3. And we get 1.77, correct to 2 decimal places. Same idea here, a bit more complicated example. I'm just going to take logs to the base 10. Log to the base 2 of 2x minus 1 is log 3 to the power x plus 2. Now we're going to use the same log law where the power drops down in front, but you need to make sure that the whole of that 2x minus 1 multiplies the log 2, so it needs to be in a bracket. And the same idea over here with the x plus 2. Now, we've got to separate out the x's. So what we need to do here, now remember log 2 and log 3 are just numbers. So what we're going to do is expand the bracket, and I'm going to get 2x log 2, take away log 2, and then on this side I'm going to get x log 3 plus 2 log 3. Now I want all the x's on one side. So I'm going to subtract x log 3 from both sides. And so I'm going to have 2x log 2, take away x log 3 on the left. And then I'm going to add log 2 to both sides. So the right becomes 2 log 3 plus log 2. Then I'm going to factor out x out on the left. So I've got x into 2 log 2, take away log 3, and on the right I've got 2 log 3 plus log 2. And then I'm going to divide both sides by that bracket. So x is going to be 2 log 3 plus log 2 over 2 log 2, take log 3. And then we're just going to go to the calculator and calculate. So I've got 2 times log 3 add log 2 divided by 2 times log 2 take away log 3, and that gives me 10.05, correct to 2dp.